If you are tired of visitors landing on your website, scrolling for a bit, and then disappearing without buying, this video is for you because today we are going to fix that. You are about to learn exactly how to increase your conversion rates and boost your sales, not through luck, not through guesswork, but through real data backed strategies that actually work. So stick around, hit that like button if you want more sales from the same traffic, and let's dive right in. Hey everyone, it's Mayur from Mayur Networks, and today we are going to break down what truly drives conversion. See, getting people to visit your website is easy. Getting them to buy, that's the art and science of conversion. And most businesses completely miss it because they focus on flashy designs or random hacks instead of understanding what their customers really need. In this video, I will show you how to get inside your audience's head, fix the leaks in your website, and build trust so strong that visitors can't help but take action. And if you want to fast track your success, then join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. You will unlock free and premium courses and proven strategies that will help you build, scale, and automate your online business the right way. Don't just watch others grow, join us and make it happen. Alright, let's get started. Part 1. Stop guessing. Start understanding your customers. The biggest enemy of convergence is guesswork. If you want people to buy, you have to understand why they hesitate. This means seeing your website through their eyes. Start with user personas. Don't settle for a vague target audience. Build detailed profiles based on real data. For example, instead of small business owner, imagine startup Sunita. She is overwhelmed by complex tools, wants one-click solutions, and hates long contracts. See the difference? The one persona can change your entire marketing message. To build these, talk to your customers. Send surveys asking what almost stopped you from buying today. Review support tickets. Those are pain points in disguise. Talk to your sales team. They hear objections daily. When you truly know your customers, your marketing stops being a guesswork and starts being a mirror that reflects exactly what they need. Now, part 2. Use data to uncover the why behind behavior. Analytics tell you what's happening, but tools like heat maps and session recordings tell you why. A heat map might show people clicking a photo that isn't linked. That's a design fail. A session recording might reveal mobile users struggling to find the checkout button. These tools act like a one-way mirror into your customer's experience. The goal: remove friction. Every unnecessary click, confusing layout, or slow page which kills conversions. So stop assuming, start testing and observing. Part 3. Your website is your store. Make it a smooth experience. Imagine walking into a store where the aisles are messy, prices are hidden, and the cashier is nowhere to be found. You would walk out of that store, right? That's what a slow, confusing website feels like. Your website should make the customer journey effortless from the first click to the thank you page. Focus on three areas. Mobile experience. In India, over 70% of website traffic is on mobile, but mobile conversion rates lag behind desktop. That's a massive opportunity. Make sure your buttons are thumb friendly, forms are short, and the text is readable without zooming. Easy navigation. Don't get clever with menu names like shop, about, contact. Keep it simple. Add breadcrumbs so people never feel lost. Increase website speed. Every second of delay kills conversions. Compress your images, enable caching, and invest in a good hosting. Fast sites sell more. That is period. Part 4. Write calls to action that beg to be clicked. Here's the truth. Your CTA button is a deal maker or deal breaker. Submit or click here is dead. It's dead language. It doesn't tell me why I should act. Replace it with something action packed and value driven. For example, sign up, get my free marketing plan. Download your guide now. Add to basket and get 10% off. See how that instantly feels more personal and rewarding. And don't forget design. Make the button pop up. Use a contrasting color. Place it where it's visible without scrolling and repeat it further down in case of long pages. Part 5. Build trust, which is a true conversion multiplier. Even the best design won't matter if people don't trust you. Trust removes hesitation. It turns curiosity into confidence. Start with social proof. Show reviews and testimonials that sound like real humans, not corporate fluff. If a customer says, I almost gave up until I tried this, that's gold. Include your name, their photo, and specific results. Next, showcase trust signals, security badges, accepted payment logos, visible contact details, and refund policies. These little reassurances can make or break a sale, especially right before checkout. And don't forget your story. Your About Us page shouldn't be a filler. It's your chance to connect, show real faces, explain your mission, and tell people why you do what you do. When people trust you, they stop comparing you. Part 6. Use personalization to scale your results. Now that your site is functional and trustworthy, let's make it smart. Personalization isn't just using someone's first name in an email, it's shaping the entire experience based on behavior. Use what you know about your customers to show them exactly what they want. For example, you can display because you viewed this earlier, you're showing some product. You can offer welcome discounts for first time visitors. Send cart abandonment emails with small incentives. Part 7. Turn customers into repeat buyers. Here's the secret to long term growth recurring sales. Don't just chase new customers, build systems that make existing ones come back. You can do this through subscription models. Subscribe and save is a win win. Loyalty programs reward repeat customers with points or early access. Buy it again. These buttons reduce frictions for reorders. Remember, retaining a customer costs 5 times less than acquiring a new one. Part 8. Test everything and keep improving. Conversion rate optimization isn't a one time fix, it's a continuous loop. Test, learn, iterate. Use A to B testing tools like Google Optimize or VWO to test one thing at a time, either headline, CTAs, layouts, or pricing, and build a hypothesis before testing. For example, if we move testimonials above the fold, conversions will increase because it builds trust earlier. Then run it, gather real data, and learn from it. Don't rely on opinions. Let your users decide what works. Part 9. The big questions answered. Question 1. What's a good conversion rate? Well, it depends. The global average is 2 to 4%, but in India, top stores hit over 4.7%. Don't chase industry averages. Focus on beating your own numbers every month. Question 2. How long does it take? Quick changes can show results in a week, but big improvements take time. Be patient and let your tests run until the data is clear. Question 3. What tools do I need? Keep it simple. Google Analytics for data, Hotjar or Microsoft Clarity for user insights, VWO for A2B testing. That's all you need to start making smarter decisions. So let's wrap this up. If you want higher conversions, stop guessing, understand your users, simplify their journey, build trust, and keep testing. That's how you turn visitors into loyal paying customers. Your challenge this week: pick one area of your website, just one, and make it friction free. Whether it's your checkout, your CTA, or your mobile layout, fix it, test it, and measure the difference. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who runs an online business. And don't forget to join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com for more in depth courses, templates, and support from like minded entrepreneurs. I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and remember, success online isn't about more traffic, it's about more conversions. Make every click count. Bye.